Greetings, students. In this third video in a series on writing the lab report, I'm going to cover the third and final paragraph of your introduction section, the hypotheses paragraph. This is a paragraph where you're going to be reporting to the reader what you thought was going to happen in the lab, your hypotheses. These should be already waiting for you on your lab worksheet that you completed while doing the lab. Please make sure that you include all of them. With the exception of Lab 5, for each lab there is one hypothesis for each of the lab activities. Include both what you thought was going to happen and why you thought it was going to occur. Often the prediction is stated as an if-then sentence. For what you thought was going to happen, it's okay if you just basically guessed. But if you had any rationale behind your decision, please include that here. This is not a section of the report for informing the reader what results you got, whether you accepted or rejected each of your hypotheses, etc. The paragraph is simply where you report the hypotheses. So as you write it, imagine that you haven't done the lab yet, and you're simply sharing what you think will take place.